Today we will learn the difference between seek function and tell function. So here you can see tell method versus seek method. We will learn setting offsets in a file. Now till now we were using the file, but we were reading or accessing the data sequentially from a file. Now we will learn how to access the data in a random fashion. So we will use seek function and tell function, or seek method and tell method. The tell method, this function returns an integer that specifies the current position of the file object in the file. The position so specified is the byte position from the beginning of the file till the current position of the file object. The syntax of using tell is file object dot tell. So it will return the current position of the file object of the file. Now we will see in real life how this is helpful to us. The second method is seek method. This method is used to position the file object. Position the file object at a particular position in a file. The syntax of seek is file object dot seek offset and the reference point. In the above syntax, offset is the number of bytes by which the file object is to be moved, and reference point indicates the starting position of the file object. So how many bytes you want to move, that offset you will write, and reference point from beginning, from current or from end, so that we have to mention. Reference point indicates the starting position of the file object. That is with reference to which position the offset has to be counted. It can have any of the following values. So from the beginning, if you want to move the object pointer, then we will use 0. From the current position, if you want to move the file pointer, it is 1, and at the end, if you want to place, it is 2. By default, the value of reference point is 0. The offset is counted from the beginning of the file. For example, the statement file object seek 5, 0 will position the file object at 5th byte position from the beginning of the file. The code below demonstrates seek versus tell. So here we are going through the code. Now you can see here, yes, now here you can see this program, seek versus tell. So we are learning to move the file object. We are opening the file in R+ mode. We are reading from the file, and it is a string, so we are printing the string. The position of the file object it will return. So here we are using the tell method to return the position after reading the file. So obviously it will be at the end of the file, so it will show the position. Now next is seek 0. Seek 0 will place the file pointer at the beginning of the file. So now the file object will return using tell function. Now here it will return 0 because it is at the beginning of the file. Now seek file, it will move 5 bytes forward. So after that, when you will use tell, it will display here 5. Next, read will read the content. Since it is 5 bytes forward, so first 5 it will not read, it will move forward, and then it will display the whole content. So here you can see roll numbers, this was the data. So file 5, it has seek 5 means it has moved the position of the file object, and then it has started reading and printing. So the programs we will see one by one. So here is our program. Yes. Now we are opening a story.txt file in W mode. Hello everyone, how are you? We are writing the string and we are closing. So it is creating this text file. Now when we are writing here, opening the file in read mode, and writing f dot tell. What is the output? Output is 0 because it is in the beginning, pointer is at the beginning of the file, and f dot tell returns the position of the file pointer, so it is displaying 0. I will run the program and I will show it. Yes. So you can see at the beginning it is displaying a 0. Now next is f dot read. So it will read complete content. Hello everyone, how are you? And the pointer will move to the end of the file. Now print p, it will print the content. So you can see here, hello everyone, how are you? It is printing. And then when you are printing here f dot tell, what it will do, since the pointer is at the end of the file, it will display the bytes. So here you can see, including the space, 28 characters are there, so it is displaying here 28. Now only some selected random, we are learning seek versus tell. Why? To randomly access the file, not sequentially. Otherwise we were using sequentially, in sequence we were accessing the file. So now randomly I want to display everyone. So what I will do here, I will when you will open the file, so what happens, without that also, if you write C6, so at the beginning, hello, seek 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So pointer will come here after hello. And you are reading 8 characters and printing. So 8 characters after that will be EVERYONE. So it is printing here everyone. Now can you tell one question in which how are you, if you have to print, suppose display how are you. Now how you will display only how are you? You can directly use seek and you can count these characters, it is 15, and you can place the pointer after 15 characters. Then you can use the print command. Now read will read till the end of the file, from the beginning till the end of the file. So now when you will run this program, it will show at the end how are you. Everyone was this, read 8 till here everyone, then how are you. This is displaying how are you, display so this is the code to display how are you. Understood? So this is your seek versus tell function or method. So I think you have understood. So thank you. Have a nice day.